just stop filming again? Alright. It's going to be part 2 because the camera turned off. I am going to learn how to edit this year. Next year I'll start making in-depth videos. This year I'm grinding to get stuff done more than anything. But anyway, cleaning the carb was easy. That one line that was hard had to be changed. So this doesn't have to be an enigma. The answer is usually right in front of you. If that line's hard, don't cut corners, replace it. Because that line was hard, when I went to pull it out of there, it broke and it destroyed the grommet that was with it. Luckily I had one. Otherwise, I recommend you order a grommet. Because no one else is typically just going to have an extra one laying around. I had one. The other one was leaking. Now it's not leaking. Idle's pretty much right where it needs to be. The high was bogging out a little bit. I had to adjust the high speed to the left about half a turn. It's just about perfect. Alright. See, it's fixed. This was mine. I don't ever use it. I even left gas in it by mistake, which was one of the issues. But either way, I hadn't used this. I used this thing like one time, probably like 5 years ago. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna sell it. So basically, the inside of the carburetor, it wasn't too bad, but it did need to be cleaned out. Did that with the carb clean. When you use, if you do use compressed air, real light. The one line, the main line with the filter was still good. This return line was hard as a rock. All right, I tried to cut the corner, use it, started leaking from here, no good. When I went to replace that line, that grommet broke apart. I had another one. Got lucky. Otherwise, I would have had to order it. I recommend, like I said, when you go to replace this thing, replace any hard lines and that grommet. So have that grommet on order. Because I don't know any other machine that takes one like that. And that's it. That's how to fix that. So it still has its stock carburetor, the C1Q 285. Just a carb kit. Really all it needed was the diaphragm and a cleaning and a new return line. And then it needed slight adjustment. The idle set's right here, high's right here, low was right here. Low's good, high needed to come out a little bit this way. It even tells you the settings on this thing, which is nice. One out on the low, 3/4 out on the high, approximately. And it's even marked high. Low is always the one closest to the engine block. That's it. Clean it up, send it on its way.